Windows play a bigger role in your home than you might realize. They bring in natural light, keep your home comfortable, and contribute to curb appeal. Over time, however, windows start to wear down, and when they do, your comfort, energy bills, and even your safety can be affected. If you're a Rayne homeowner, knowing the warning signs can help you make timely decisions before small issues turn into costly problems. Below are some of the most common indicators that it's time to consider window replacement. Drafts and temperature fluctuations. One of the clearest signs your windows need replacing is when you feel drafts or notice uneven temperatures in your rooms. Older windows often lose their sealing power, letting outside air seep in. In Rayne's warm and humid climate, this can make your air conditioner work overtime, increasing your energy bills and leaving you uncomfortable. Replacing your windows with modern, energy-efficient options ensures a consistent indoor climate and helps you save money in the long run. Higher energy bills. If your utility costs have steadily climbed and your HVAC system seems to be running constantly, your windows could be to blame. Worn-out frames, thin glass, and outdated designs don't insulate well, leading to significant energy loss. Many Rayne homeowners are switching to double or triple pane windows with low-E coatings to boost efficiency. Investing in new windows may feel like an expense up front, but the monthly savings quickly add up. Difficulty opening or closing windows should open and close with ease. If you find yourself struggling to operate them, it could be due to warping, rust, or damaged frames. This is more than just an inconvenience. It can also be a safety concern in emergencies when quick escape routes are needed. New windows offer smoother functionality, better security, and peace of mind. Excessive noise from outside. If outside noise seems louder than ever, your windows might not be doing their job. Thinner, single-pane glass is especially poor at reducing sound. Whether it's traffic, neighbors, or just the general bustle of Rayne, high-quality replacement windows can provide much-needed quiet, making your home a more peaceful retreat. Visible damage or decay. Sometimes, the signs are obvious. Cracked glass, rotting wooden frames, or water stains around the window area are clear red flags. Rayne's humid climate can speed up deterioration, particularly for wood windows that aren't properly sealed. Replacing damaged windows not only improves appearance but also prevents water infiltration and structural issues down the line. Condensation between glass panes. Modern windows are designed with multiple panes and insulating gas between them. If you notice fogging or condensation trapped inside, it usually means the seal has failed. Once this happens, the insulating properties are gone, leaving your home vulnerable to energy loss. Replacement is the best way to restore efficiency. Outdated style. Finally, appearance matters. Outdated or mismatched windows can drag down your home's curb appeal and resale value. Today's replacement windows come in a variety of styles, finishes, and materials that can give your Rayne home a fresh look while boosting efficiency. From sleek modern designs to timeless classics, upgrading windows enhances both function and beauty. Why act sooner rather than later? Delaying window replacement often leads to higher energy bills, more frequent maintenance, and potential damage to your home. By recognizing the signs early, Rayne homeowners can protect their property, increase comfort, and enjoy a quieter, more energy-efficient living space. If you've noticed any of the issues above, now is the perfect time to explore your window replacement options. With professional guidance and high-quality materials, you can make an upgrade that pays off for years to come.